Hi everyone, so I have ordered these three products from Club Factory on July 21 and they arrived today August 4, so that's around 14 days to deliver, which is really good compared to AliExpress. This order is all with free shipping too, and there's no extra charges on my debit card. So the first item is this face wash brush. In their website, this is called a 3D double face wash brush silicone hair, and the price of this is 263.29 rupees. And the bristles of this white part is really soft and dense, and would suit even sensitive skin. And this pink part is really good, and it doesn't feel rough on my skin, and made of very soft silicone material. Actually, the whole three items came in one plastic package altogether, and this face wash brush came on this transparent packaging. It's quite pressed when I received it. It was like this. It's totally like this then, but it came on this Ziploc bag like this, so it's quite okay. And I am very happy with the quality of this face wash brush. I'm really not expecting this one this much soft. It's really amazing. The overall quality of this face wash brush is really good. I would give this one 10 out of 10. So this is the second product. This is the white watch, and it was looking very good in the picture, so I bought it, and the price is also very low, which is 195 rupees at the time, and it looks good on hand, but the quality is quite average. You can clearly see the quality is not that good, but it's okay. So let me try it on my hand. It looks very elegant on hand, but the strap looks like, you know, it's this much low quality that it will peel after a few months of using. And by the way, the brand is Geneva. Here, Geneva Platinum is mentioned, and if you turn this, there's nothing mentioned. You know, normally there's something mentioned made in China, but this one has nothing. I'm not complaining because the price is also very low, so I don't have a huge expectation on this one. Well, the good thing is nothing is damaged. So the last product is this cute little cleaning brush for glasses. This is 76 rupees only, and the quality is really good according to the price. So this is how it works, and it's really cleaning well. So they will actually, you cannot choose the color. They will send the color randomly to you. And this one looks washable too. So that's all, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Please like and subscribe if you like the video, and see you on my next video.